Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 Chevy Crew Cab Trail Boss. Moving on to the interior of our Trail Boss, power windows and door locks, cruise control, has heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Our 2021 Trail Boss has a 6.2 liter engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It has 18-inch Goodyear Wranglers, spray and box liner, and running boards. This spacious rear passenger compartment has a couple of USB plugs and of course the laser molded Chevy rubber mats. Thanks for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 Chevy Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thank you and have a great day.